to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And my name is Andrew.
Today we're on Coda All Course E Lesson 2, Coding with Comments. So the challenge is, challenge. Now I gave this maze to help the bird find the pig. Okay, there's a lot of TNT. Let's write a comment first. Let's see what the comment should be.
Avoid the TNT.
Or TNT time. Because there's a lot of TNT. So first, we got to move forward, turn left so we can go towards the pig. Yippee! You pig. Then we can use the repeat block so we can repeat the blocks 2 times. Then turn right, repeat, move forward 2 times again. So we can get close to the pig. Repeat forward 2 times. Let's run it first. So let's see where we are. Turn left, move forward 2 times. Turn right, move forward 2 times. Then we need to turn right, move forward, turn right, let's run it first. Turn left, or it's not right. Turn, oopsies, wrong.
It's left.
Let's try this first. Move forward 2 times. We know this is right, so that we didn't need to trash the code. Turn left,
move forward,
turn right. Then we need to move forward, turn left.
And move forward again.
So we can smash the pig. Yay! Move forward. Hoi, hoi, hoi. Wee, wee. Yay!
Yay!
Yay! Continue. Now, the instructions is, help the bird get to the pig. Okay, let's code with comments. TNT. That's a blah box. Okay. Now we need to move forward. Oops. 3 times. Let's see if that works.
Oh, you bump into TNT.
Oopsies. Okay.
Still move forward, then turn right, and then repeat.
Move forward, turn right.
It's like a stairs pattern to the pig.
And let's see how many times we need to repeat it. Let's try 5 times first. 1. Oopsies, I forgot.
You need to move forward, then turn left.
I think we won't smash the pig. Yay! We got the pig! Continue. Now the instructions say, get the pig to the bird. Comment.
There's the bird to the pig.
Oh yeah. Y TNT. Oopsies. Why TNT? Okay. Now let's Move forward 3 times. Turn left. Oopsies. Forgot to put the move forward. Eek. Ah. That's hard. Yeah. Yeah. Then move forward 2 times. Or we can pull out repeat. It's the same amount of blocks. Move forward. Turn left. Yay! And thanks for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.